Alright, Baby Brown took a break for the middle part of the afternoon, so we're just going to do some more rounds to end off the day here at the CQB field. Two on three. Let's see if Sean and I can live up to all these young bucks. Upload some videos later. So you want to go left, I guess?
Yeah.
Because of your handedness? You guys ready? Ready, or are you ready? I can't hear them. Are they, You guys ready? Okay, they're ready. Game starts in 3, 2, go! Done? I didn't even get to fucking fire a frag. Well, that was a little quicker than I wanted, but oh well, sometimes you gotta take the quickie.